my friend Todd G here, and in this video we're going to talk about the business formula for success in 3 simple steps. Now, before we get started, I want to tell you about when I started my first online business and I was getting started. I wanted success so bad, but I was terrified. I was afraid of what people would think. I was afraid of what challenges I would face, how I would go about it. Would I be able to succeed? And I kept putting off everything and putting it off. And I would say, I'm going to get around to it next Monday. And then next Monday became the next Monday, which became the Monday 6 months down the road. And I just kept procrastinating because, quite frankly, I was scared. I didn't know what I didn't know, and I was afraid of it. And it held me back for a long time. So I want to give you the 3 steps to success formula so you can get started today and hopefully overcome that and not go through the procrastination and putting things off and being scared to start like I was when I started. So the business formula for success in 3 simple steps is pretty simple. 1, work on your skill sets every day. And you say, well, Todd, I don't know what skill sets to work on. Don't worry, I got you covered, okay? I'm gonna link all this together and give you a resource to that you can follow step by step. But I want to tell you, so number 1 is work on your skill sets every day. Number 2 is work on your mindset every day. And I know what you're thinking, oh God, Todd, another mindset video, give me a break. And I used to think that way too. A long time ago, I've done some things in the past that, I'm not real proud of, but I got pulled over for DUI a long time ago, and I had to go to some classes and pay some fines as part of my process to pay back to society for what I'd done. And I had this class with this teacher. She had this southern drawl, she had this nice southern drawl, and she used to say, drinking leads to stinking thinking, and I always think about her when I talk about mindset, because I had some stinking thinking myself, even when I wasn't drinking, about business and about life, and mindset is so key. So number 2 is work on the right mindset skills every day, and number 3 is put in the effort. So I've got you covered on steps 1 and 2. Learn the right skill sets, learn the right mindset. I've got you covered. The effort, my friend, is up to you, but I'm going to give you some suggestions and help you out in any way possible. So again, the 3-step formula is the right skill sets plus the right mindset times effort equals success. And as long as you don't give up, and you keep learning your skill sets plus the right mindset and putting in the effort, you will achieve success eventually. Now, when is that? It depends. Success comes in many different factors, in many different forms, and many different timelines. I've seen people achieve business success in a very short period of time, and I've seen people take a long time to do it. But you just keep going until you don't give up, So the right skill sets plus the right mindset times effort equals success. Now, I'm going to give you a nice resource to go through that will help you with all these. So check out the link below, 7stepbizbootcamp.com. It's my free training course where I teach you the right skill sets, the right mindset. I give you resources on skill set, mindset, and I tell you the effort that you need to take. But it's up to you, my friend, to take the effort. So check out below, 7stepbizbootcamp.com. Get started today for free, completely free. A lot of this guy in there teaching you everything you need to know about that, because I've been doing this for quite a while. Now, the last thing I want to say is just try to be 1% better at everything you do every day. And that's it. In life, in business, in relationships, everything. Try to be 1% better, and you'll be amazed after a period of time what you can accomplish and how much better you can be by just trying to improve yourself 1% better. That's a tip from one of my mentors that I wanted to give to you. So again, check out 7stepbizbootcamp.com. Let me show you the screen real quick. I won't take too long here. This is what it looks like when you go over there. Hey, I know that guy. So just go over there, enter your name and email address, and you'll have instant access. And then you'll have my email address. You can reach out to me if you have any questions or you need any assistance with your skill sets, your mindset, or you like, Todd, I don't know what effort to take. I can help you out there. So I'm not leaving you high and dry. As soon as you sign up here, you'll have my email address. Respond to that email. I look at every email personally, and I will respond to you. That's it, my friend, for this video. I kept it short, to the point. Hopefully you got a lot of value out of it. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and comment below if you did get value, or if you want some more info, more videos like this, let me know. All right, that's it. Todd G, aka the G-Man. I'm signing out from this video, and I will see you, my friend, in the next video.